Hi guys, in this video we will see how to insert page number in your Google Docs page. If you want to insert a page number in your Google Docs page, then here are the process. Open Google Docs and here go to your project, either a blank document or recent documents. Open it, and now we will insert a page number on this Google Docs page. So simply from the top menu bar, go to insert and choose. Scroll down and choose page elements, and here you will find page numbers, and you can see different types of page number available here. Page number in header, page number in header starting on the second page, page number in footer starting on the first page, page number in footer starting on the second page. So various type of option available here. Choose as per your choice, and you can see different first page. You can also make the check against different first page, and you have successfully inserted page number. Now as soon as your page exceeds, then automatically second page number will be inserted automatically. 1, 2. So you can easily insert a page number on Google Docs page